Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make calendar using Coreldraw. Yes, we will be using A4 paper size. You can change the paper size you want here, but we will be using A4 paper size. So without wasting much time, let's begin. In the file menu, in the menu bar, you select tools here, script, and then you click on run script. In this pop-up menu, you change this VBA project to calendar wizard, then you run it. Okay, here is the calendar wizard. This is the year, so if it is 2025, you are going to click it and change it. 2024, you are going to change it 2023. So the year that you want to use, you're just going to select it. So in this year, I'm going to use 2024. Then we have the month here. We have January to December. If you want to make individual months on a page, you are going to select all these. So if you select all these, let's click all here, and then you generate. You are going to have 12 pages, with every page having 1 month. So let's close this and see how it looks like. So we have December for 12, page 12, 11 for November, 10. Okay, but that's not what I want. So let's just delete this, or if possible, let me just close this, and then tools, script, run script. We change this VBA project to calendar wizard, and then we run. So with our year selected, you will come down to language is English. Week will start on Sunday. You can choose any day you want. Then we come to layout. With the layout, we have a couple of templates here, but I want to choose the 3 rows and 4 columns. This is how it will look like, 3 rows and 4 columns. Then you click adjust fonts so that the fonts fit in well. They will look well adjusted here. You come here to, this is page layout. You come to small header. Click on this small header. This is title. This is the title here. I want to change the font, so I'm going to use my own font. You can use any font that you like. I'm going to copy this. Okay. This border here are the lines around it. So if you do not want the lines around it, you just uncheck this and then they will be gone. But I want my lines around them. Okay, then we have header here. We change the font of the header too. We have Sunday highlights. Change my font here. Okay, I think we'll go to small body. Small body, we are going to change the font here. And then this one too, fonts here. Yes, with the page layout, oh no, the small header, this is the text color. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Any color you want, you can change the color. This is the color of the title changed, but I don't want to change, so I'm going to leave it as black. And then this is that of the header to the days. If you want to change them, you can also change them to any color you want, but I don't want to change, so it's also going to be maintained as black. With all these settings done, I think I am ready to expand. or generate my calendar. So I'm going to generate my color, clicking here. I'll wait for it to load. Okay, finish generating calendar. We will close this. Let's zoom in. Okay, so we have January to December. Now how we are going to arrange it, it depends on your own template or format of design. So just going to do something small with the arrangements. Okay, so just stay tuned. If you like this video, comment, like and share. So with this, they are all grouped. So if you want to edit them, you have to ungroup them from this side. But first, let me do my arrangement before. So to get an equal margin for this, you can create something to separate them. I just want the margins to look accurate, that's why I'm doing it this way. lines here, so I'm going to take them off. I don't like these lines. I'm going to take them off. So I'm going to edit the months one by one. Instead of using the calendar wizard, I prefer to edit it manually so that I can get the design that I want. Okay. To change this color here, I want to use yes. So this is the color we'll be using. Zero one. This one is going to be white. Okay, so you are going to repeat these colors for the rest of the month. To use color picker tool, color eyedropper tool. You select this color, paste it here. going to add our pictures.